there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1974 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in this really attractive port wine, rich burgundy color. Black interior, black top and top boot, 4-speed wire wheels. We recently purchased this car. I believe it was from the Midwest or back east. Really good solid car, excellent mechanicals. You can see me just driving it right now. Really strong, great pulling engine, nice shifting transmission, brake, steering, suspension. It's a car you can, really safely push around town and kind of whip it around and have a lot of fun with it in safety. So it's also it's also fitted with a chrome luggage rack. Paint-wise, really nice and glossy. Couple little stone chips on the nose. Let's walk around here slowly. Pretty good paint. Probably an 8 out of 10. Really good application of the paint on a nice body. You can see there's a bit of touch up along this edge. What else can we find on here? Not too much. I mean, just a few little chips here along the door edge. Chrome's trying to come off there. That needs to be snapped back on. But a couple little squigglies here. I can see a few little spots of touch up. It is probably a 10 or 15-year-old paint job. It is showing a little bit of just age and use, but still pretty attractive, pretty glossy, nice panel fit. Pretty good lower windshield rubber here. It's still pretty soft, as you can see. Good condition windshield glass. As we move to the interior, very nice condition. Seats have been reupholstered in this kind of this faux leather that looks really nice. Great driver's seat, great passenger seat. Dash is really good condition. It's fitted with a dash cap. The visors are nice. It's got this really fun, smaller sport steering wheel. Nice JVC sound system. Rubber mats on the floor, which are really nice. This is a really attractive, nice fitting new top boot. I believe the top's in good shape. There's that chrome luggage rack. Let's take a look in the trunk here. The trunk is painted body color. There's some manuals there, the spare tire. You can see there's the jack and tire changing equipment. There's an old tonneau cover. So pretty decent trunk area. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. We've got all these images on our still photos. So the engine bay, the engine's real nice and tidy and clean. It does need the underpad here for the underhood, but as you can see here, nice and straight, never been hit up front here, but pretty clean, attractive engine compartment. Brakes look newer and nice condition. It's also fitted with this pair of Lucas fog lamps, gives it kind of a real nice competition look. Good stance on this car. Springs look good. We'll do a final walk around here. Yeah, I like those fog lamps. So yeah, very good driver's condition car. Good paint. Interior is really lovely on it. Mechanically excellent. Runs and drives great. You can really push this car and it's got a ton of power. But there it is, 1974 Mgb Roadster, port wine with black interior, black top, tonneau cover, 4-speed wire wheels, chrome luggage rack, fog lamps, very strong driving, nice, just a nice overall condition Mgb, turnkey, ready to go and enjoy. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.